Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So we need to go to the search bar and type your device manager, then click here to open it. Now on this window we need to find out the network adapters. So here it is. Just expand this and right click on the particular connection, open its properties, go to drivers tab and then click on update driver. Then search automatically for drivers and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one. Simply go to search bar, type your cmd and click on run as administrator. Now on the window we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh space winsock and hit enter. Okay, netsh space winsock reset and hit enter. Now it's good. Now type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and then type in ipconfig space slash renew and hit enter. We need to wait for some time to complete the process and then type in netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Now type exit and simply go to search bar, type your control panel, open click on network and internet, then select network and sharing center and simply click on connection. Now go to properties and we need to select internet protocol version 4, that is IPv4. select it, open properties and we need to use the following DNS server address 8.8.8.8. press tab button to go down. Now press type 8.8.4.4. once done, click on OK, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.